This video was not sponsored by anyone.
So much for not being sponsored.
Sandy Sean. Grazie.
Yes, it makes sense for me.
Oh, cabinet approves Kerala roadway project.
Okay.
Hi guys. We are back to take over Srishti's channel.
Okay.
I think you guys missed us. I'm Astha.
You guys में viewers भी हम guys
Say
भी
your
हैं.
name.
Stop it. Get some help.
I'm Rishabh.
Ashwin, Srishti.
Look. Today we are in Vienna, Austria, and
We are gonna try. Is correct, na? No, it's not cutting.
वो बोल रहे मेरे को काट दो.
So we are in Vienna. It's currently almost 1.
A lot of boring math later.
we are in Vienna, Austria, and we're gonna be reviewing some snacks, which we actually got after a long fight.
It was not a fight. We
It
just
was a
ran
fight. It was
because the
me.
grocery store was
I
closing
ran
in 2
almost
minutes.
like
Just to be clear, I
how
was
many
not
meters?
part of this fight.
We took like 7 trams. We reached at 10:58, and the store was closing at 11. So yes, and he was saying something in German to me. Exit time, exit time, exit time. So I didn't even know what I picked.
उसने मुझे बस एक chips उठाने की
No,
permission
Ozgang is
दी.
exit. Yeah,
हाँ,
maybe.
Ausgang
Yeah,
time.
yeah,
Teammate.
maybe.
Ausgang teammate.
Yeah, but we tried schnitzel today, and then we tried like a couple of desserts, which will be part of the earlier part of this video.
Other additional vlogs.
Additional vlog नहीं वो इसी का part है, ये इसकी continuation because that is also Austrian food, right?
Oh, हाँ.
What was your highlight of the day?
Lime scooter.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप.
अबे खाना.
Just to be clear,
okay,
we are
yes.
not being endorsed by Lime again.
I wish
We
Lime
are
endorses
sponsored
us.
by us on this trip also.
Yes.
But
If you think this video is sponsored.
Food wise.
Yes.
it is.
I mean,
It was the chicken something that
We
we
needed sponsor for this.
chicken.
Schnitzel.
Yeah.
Chicken
See, one
schnitzel.
day maybe.
Yes, that is right. We tried chicken
Captain
schnitzel.
Asta found it. after
TripAdvisor.com.
after 12 hours of failing, not to find it.
ऐसा लग रहा है हम ये critic
Not
review
find
कर रहे
it,
हैं.
sorry.
There are some snacks. I think there's a good mix of savory and sweet and something. We don't understand.
I think she got
whatever
dog
is
food
written.
also.
There's not dog food. There's no dog. Oh, sorry.
Family show up.
I think
Okay, sorry.
Sure.
Okay, there is no dog food, but I think I accidentally grabbed some baby's food of 12
Yeah.
months, appropriate
इसको
for
पता
12
नहीं क्यों लगा
months.
कि ये Viennese food है.
I couldn't
Viennese
understand the
बच्चों का
name.
food है.
Age is,
If you see the title, you can't understand the name. Okay.
yes, she believes in age is just a
And-
number.
and
That
that
is the
was-
baby food.
इस पे 12 भी लिखा है.
She thought it was 12 years.
Yeah.
No, I didn't
Which
read
is
it.
still not valid. but
I didn't
okay.
read it because that person was मेरे aisle के पीछे he was just running and saying exit time. I didn't read. I just grabbed everything I could not understand basically because I was like let it be authentic.
अच्छा रिमिक्स आइटम है ये.
हाँ.
Okay, so you guys
Okay,
want to start
anyway.
with that?
तो
Are those
peanuts है,
peanuts?
चकना.
Why did she get dog food?
ये peanuts.
There's no dog
ये
food.
peanuts है ऐसा. ये तो फोटो में भी दिख रहा था.
No, but these are not peanuts. What do you
Oh, so
mean?
these are peanut
you
puffs.
वो
Yeah.
नहीं उसके अंदर है. It is just for coating ऊपर.
Okay, it's
ये
Nutri
वही है.
Score D by the way. It's not good for us. You, this is new, na? You've never tried this? Okay, yeah, everything is new. Yes.
Yeah,
We are ready to
I
try
definitely
everything.
not tried dog food. But
This is not बेचारे बच्चे तो ये खा रहे हैं.
in Austria, you get Nutri-Score as well.
Okay, let's start.
I don't know, it's a classic chips. Seems
Wrong
like
choice.
it's vegan as well, and it has a Nutri-Score of D.
Show the packet. Show the packet.
Here it's
This
D.
is the first
ABC.
Austrian snack.
That we're trying.
Based, it's peanut. Luckily, we're Indians. We don't have
lactose-free.
peanut
एक-एक
allergy.
नहीं नहीं मैं उसको बता रहा हूँ.
100 grams of this has 500 calories.
Vacation calories don't count,
And 25 grams of fat.
but they don't.
So the
अंदर
there's a
peanut है?
peanutty flavor, but it's coming
Oh, this is
very
such a
good.
peanut
अंदर
smell.
peanut है?
Oh,
हाँ नहीं peanut नहीं है.
this is just peanut smell, bro.
No wonder. Nutri-Score D.
D for don't get it.
Okay, there's not a lot of taste. It tastes like savory peanut butter.
Yeah, correct. First time I agree.
ASMR होगा ना.
There's no masala.
Oh, एक बार
brown peanut.
एक बार
It doesn't taste much, to be honest. Oh, ASMR. Oh. We're progressing on this
We
channel.
definitely need a sponsor for the next video.
Why? Okay, this does not taste like anything, to be honest. It tastes just like peanut butter.
Does not taste like anything.
The worst she could say no.
Does not taste like
Does
anything.
not taste
Masala.
like-
Did you guys have any
It tastes
masala
like
taste?
a peanut, bichara.
Yeah, it just tastes like peanut butter, na? The after
You said-
effect
Oh, you
taste of
said-
peanut butter.
It does not taste like anything. It is like water. It is like air.
Not water, but
It
like
tastes like something.
peanut butter. But
No.
it's not. There's no strong.
I think if there was no smell to it, we wouldn't even know
No,
कि
it's
वो
peanut.
peanut का
That's what I'm saying. It's just a very strong peanut and no masala.
संजीव कपूर की बातें सुन रहा
You wanna see? Taste profile बताओ.
हूँ. No comments.
What does it taste like?
It tastes like a modified version of Fun Flips.
No.
No, it doesn't taste like it. The texture and look of it is like that. ठीक है, anyway, वो बताओ, score बताओ. Exactly.
2.
Out of 5.
हाँ, 2. 2.25.
Let's
No,
try
dog food is last.
Biomass barley.
This is 12-month, appropriate for 12-month babies.
12 month?
Yeah.
I thought
वो
12 years.
actually हमारे
तेरे को क्या लगा वो झूठ है नहीं
What do you mean
12
12
years
years है?
लिखा है 12 मोमे करके
Monad लिखा है.
हाँ,
Yeah,
वो
I
है।
think that's months.
Sorry, I don't know German.
Yes, they're not
It's
judging.
about Brexit.
We can
भाई political बातें मत.
Gonna try the baby
hold
food
तो
now.
सही तभी तो try करेंगे.
ASMR.
I have told him to hold the mic and he's playing with it.
If you guys go deaf,
How is the masala?
that's because of him.
It's teddy bear shape.
Okay, so this is Fun Flips in a teddy bear shape.
Why do you eat it before? It has to be ek saath.
Guys, don't get into a fight.
Yeah, it's not worth it.
We need the video to be uploaded.
Okay, अब एक साथ crunch के बाद आनी चाहिए. Okay, man. Cheers.
Yeah, top 10 things I never thought I'd do.
So this is Fun Flips in a beer shape.
No,
कुछ
but it
ऊपर-
tastes very tomato.
Beige.
Very
This,
tangy.
I'll tell you, this doesn't taste like anything. Yes, she was right. It's a bit delayed.
It's a bit delayed.
No masala.
Her senses are not sensing.
Yeah, there's nothing in this.
क्योंकि बच्चे क्या ही खाएंगे बेचारे.
But ये
मसाला
खाने के
थोड़ी-
बाद तो वो कुछ भी नहीं पूछेंगे.
2 out of 10.
2 out of 10.
2 out of 20.
1 out of 5.
1 out of 5.
या पर ये बेचारे बच्चों का खाना है.
But इसके बाद तो वो वैसे भी कुछ नहीं
This is
खाएंगे.
not even a teddy. Where is the teddy? Where's the eyes?
तेरे को लगता है बच्चों को फर्क पड़ता है.
क्या वैसे आए?
To be honest, it tastes like you're tangy, but it like बहुत फीका. Like ugh.
Taste a bit tangy,
उनको
but
टाइम उनको टाइम पे नहाने पे मिलता है ये सब. बोल रहे टेडी बेयर की शेप नहीं है.
okay.
Second time पे नहाने पे मिलता है ये.
1.5. Next snack that we're trying.
ऑटोमेटिक है.
तू फुटेज बनाते इसलिए वीडियो ले लेते थे.
Few minutes later.
I think this is a popcorn.
Popcorn chips.
Popcorn chips. Have you ever heard of popcorn chips?
Oh, finally something in English.
But I don't remember what I bought.
Traditional English breakfast.
Kelly popcorn chips.
Dry.
Masala le.
Can I ask them?
No.
Okay, so ये ले.
खत्म बाय बाय टाटा
Can I Indian?
नहीं रख यहाँ रख.
Can I Indian?
रुक जा. तू
I'm just
कंफ्यूज
showing
करता है
you.
वीडियो को.
I went to get this. Cheers in.
Yeah,
Very
cheers.
lightweight.
It's very lightweight.
Okay, let's start.
It's very texture weird. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Are we
Smells like
cheersing?
popcorn. Smells like.
Are we cheersing?
ये लेना.
You actually
खा
popcorn
चुका है.
as a chips. Wow, that's so good.
अब ये fun chips के बारे में कुछ बोलेगा.
I'm impressed.
ये fun chips की तरह है.
Why do I not like anything?
This is actually a flat popcorn. I like it.
He's taken out.
Okay,
Don't be surprised by his rating.
7.5 out of 10.
We are rating out of 5. Do not understand
He
averages.
makes his own rules.
दे ना. ये
3.5
भी vegan है
out
by
of
the way.
10. Out of 5.
This is also vegan.
3.5 out of 5.
We're snatching the packets as if we're taking it. Gutzu V Sen.
Fargo Stoffe.
So can you give me some water?
Dingy Volvo.
Wow, nice, amazing,
It is
beautiful.
exactly what it says.
Yeah, but yeah.
So इस reason की वजह से हम इसको
The smell is actually very pop. बहुत pop. बिल्कुल popcorn ही है ये.
Water in Vienna.
Oh,
Oh,
water
water
is
in
really
Vienna is
good.
amazing. So good.
तो हम इसको rate
Learning
कर
for
रहे
you, Thames water. Yeah, much better than London. The water here.
But I think the water quality is
water is really good.
actually big
And it
difference.
tastes very good.
बहुत
Straight
difference.
from
The
the
texture
Alps.
is so nice.
Straight from the Alps.
It's smooth.
Even the tap water is good.
Much better than London. Sorry. Have to accept that.
Yes.
Sorry, no, yeah,
Agreed.
accept that.
Not
Oida.
sorry, but agreed.
Oida.
Okay, I think till now favorite was the popcorn chips. We collectively give it a 3.5. Let's say 4.
let's keep it aside.
But
3.5.
the best packaging was the red one.
Okay.
Packaging के भी
Kind
बन
of
जाएगा।
promising.
It had a Nutri-Score.
Oh.
Had a Nutri-Score.
Of D. He thinks having a score is a win.
I think they had to
At
display.
least
We're binging
they're
on popcorn
saying-
chips.
At least they're saying it's not good for your health.
I don't think. हो वो तो बच्चों का था. बच्चों को वैसे भी क्या ही फर्क पड़ता है.
3.5.
Enough, fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Agreed.
3.5. Collectively agreed.
Oh, is this that?
Okay, this is the brand that was everywhere. Everywhere.
Let's start with this
What is called?
luxurious chocolate.
I am talking about that brand. He's got Ladra.
Swiss chocolate. So Astha chose this. Oh, where's Astha?
We are trying Austrian food, but okay.
Oh, we have
In
two.
break, we got
You have
Switzerland.
two. Why is this so heavy? You have two.
We got
In
3
one-
actually.
Apparently.
We
so.
also
That-
have.
My,
There's no organization and structure to the
my
video.
watch
Truffle
says time
pesto.
to stand,
It's
so
a
I'm standing.
pesto.
It's a. Why are you moving the truffle pesto?
Truffle pesto.
My
Here's the bill.
Okay, we're trying Switzerland chocolate Ladra.
It was my selection.
Sure.
और क्या मैंने भी.
That's good packaging.
So we I took them boys for tasting chocolate, and we each got
Which boys?
some
I
chocolate.
got strawberry and.
Who are the boys in this group?
खूबसूरत
Oh, in
लगी.
this
This is
group,
milk
अच्छा.
chocolate.
Oh wow, it's a good packaging.
This is what the chocolate bar looks like. Oh,
I got chocolate Florentine.
embossing
Which
here.
chocolate is this?
L.
Ashwin, you want the chocolate?
milk chocolate. है.
Oh, this is just milk. Okay.
So
We'll taste a bit, yeah.
yeah,
Keep the rest for him.
ये टेस्ट ही कर रहे हैं हम सब.
rest for him.
क्या चाहिए?
We tasted a lot of chocolates. This
ठीक है.
is them
तो
us trying milk
मैं वो
chocolates.
देख रहा था कवर का.
मैं तोड़ रही हूँ थोड़ा सा.
तेरे को क्या चाहिए था? ये
I
चाहिए
just
था?
want a bite. I don't want it now.
Yeah,
Wow,
take half
the
ना.
texture is
Yeah,
so good. Good when the.
I mean, Ladra chocolate is very good. It's very fine.
Coming from a loyal member of Lindt, voucher is very good.
Yeah.
This is
This is
better.
better than
No,
milk?
no.
नहीं, ऐसे
No,
वो
no.
loyalty नहीं छोड़.
He's not leaving his loyalty. He's just
Yeah.
appreciating
Yeah,
another
yeah.
competitor.
Keep it back.
Good.
Good packaging. 9 out of 10 for packaging.
But it's a
But-
very mild chocolate.
But chocolate Florentine from Ladra is too good. 10 on 10.
So after what this is basically chocolate with cornflakes
And almonds.
and
Florentine
almonds and a
almonds.
bit of caramel. This is how it looks.
This is too good.
8 minutes.
I don't
Yeah.
know, recommend.
Branding of this chocolate at the back, I'll show you. That's the most exciting bit.
Ladra. Ladra. Yeah. I don't know the pronunciation.
तुम
It's
दिखाया भी
Ladra.
था?
It's Ladra.
Let's have this a bit.
Kaka. I have this.
अच्छा.
Reminds me of Nutties. You remember?
Actually,
Nutties.
yeah.
Just
Cadbury
We
Nutties.
already had
Wow.
quite a bit.
Exactly.
Was it Cadbury or Nestle? Cadbury.
Nutties.
No brands are harmed in this video.
I just had Nutties. What's up, India? Mein? Cadbury's or Nestle?
Oh,
I think Cadbury.
nutties.
Yeah.
Nutties.
It's too good.
Nestle.
It's so nostalgic.
Very good
Too good.
chocolate. Very consistent with the taste. 9 out of 10.
This is 9 out of 10.
4 out of 5, yeah.
Oh,
This was not
4.5.
Austrian, but 10 on 10.
4 out of 5.
Not
This is
Austrian,
Swiss.
but 10 on 10.
Swiss. So basically, potato.
Swiss watch, Swiss chocolate.
Watch.
Stonks.
Swiss watch.
Cheers, cheers.
Cheers.
New pinch. There, with the watch.
Risha.
Make a sound.
It doesn't sound.
Make a sound. इसको कहते हैं माइक तो मैं इसलिए कर दिया कि वॉच इसका तीन नहीं चले
Okay. Okay.
We don't understand what's written, so we're just going by pictures. I think these are some kind of biscuits.
Yeah, ये कोई cookie type ही लग
That is
रहा.
why we have baby food in our room.
पढ़ियो आगे पढ़ना top नाम.
There's an English version here, guys. Let me find that.
You don't have to
I don't think we
explain.
need it.
Yeah.
Let's listen to the man with
Some
the Swiss
kind of
watch.
cookies.
Okay, let's just open it.
एक बार पढ़ तो Fiennes.
Good packaging.
It says
Good packaging. It has like a thing inside.
Let us know if you feel satisfied.
So okay.
हाँ, उसको
okay,
सीधी
we're not discussing Airbnb stays.
Airbnb वाला vlog link below.
Wow. Look.
Plastic.
Yeah.
मुझे ऐसा
Why does
लगता
this
है-
look plastic?
जैसे वो Rishabh, I need to show
Oh,
it.
smells good actually. Smells sweet honey. Smells like honey.
This is what.
Ooh, smells good, eh? Smell?
Oh, it smells so good.
It smells like coconut actually.
Oh,
It smells like butter biscuits.
हाँ, coconut.
butter
let's
and
start.
coconut
3,
and almond
2,
and
1.
oh, good.
Good, it is a lemon touch.
Lemon, it has lemon.
Oh, it's like a sandwich thing. इसके बीच में कुछ cream type है.
Oh, nice. Biscuit का texture is also different, huh? Soft but coconut biscuits.
It's a
इसके ऊपर crunchy part है.
proper desert biscuit.
Yeah.
अच्छा.
There's lime filling and coconut on top.
4 out of 5.
Square.
Wow, wow.
Yeah.
Good one.
You go with round 2.
तेको पता ना 3 chips के पैकेट पड़े हैं इधर. भूल गई है.
We have baby food, so.
और नहीं डन. 4 out of 5.
I think we had too many desserts today.
Or 2 sweets.
We had more sweets than savories today. So I think we are on our full quota.
Okay. So before we go with this,
Another sweet
we
treat.
can go with the.
Yeah, please, let's change the...
Yeah. We had rifles.
I choose this.
Rifles kya? Rifles.
Rifles,
Chili and paprika.
Chips.
Funny and fish. Okay, looks good. Looks promising,
This
guys.
is not vegan.
Looks promising.
Let's see.
Seem red.
Cheersing.
There's a weird taste in the beginning.
It's like Uncle Chips.
No.
No. There's a weird taste in the beginning. Meaty taste.
Whatever this.
Did you get a meaty
It tastes like a very pokey, sausagey taste.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't taste.
It does
pokey
look
at
like,
all.
yeah. It has a meaty
It has a
taste,
meaty
aftertaste.
in the beginning.
It does.
It is gluten free. It is vegan. Who is melting
Why
it?
do they not have masalas in their chips and things, man? They're very fika.
वो हमसे नहीं चुरा के गए.
Even if they're written chili and paprika, both chilies. But no, they're not
This is
spicy
even
at all.
Spicy, to be honest.
They're not very salty.
It's not spicy. huh?
Not very salty also. They're very plainish.
Only the
3.
color is red.
It tastes
No,
like
3.
2.5.
2.75.
2.5.
2.75 you give it. 2.5, yeah.
2.5. It does not meet the requirements of being spicy.
I think
4
the
out of
taste
5.
profile, chili and paprika,
देखो अच्छा.
very fika.
It's good.
Very fika.
I
Uncle
think
Chips is so salty,
it's a
so
3.
flavorful. This is
It's a
not.
3.
See,
I think the more I'm eating it, I'm liking it more.
But the thing is, the
Influences
taste
people.
gets accustomed. You
Just
don't
cut.
like it in the first profile, then you don't like it.
Yeah, I know, but
But
2-3
taste
तो
is
खाओ,
accustomed.
fair chance तो बचा. हाँ, थोड़े 2-3 और खा, तेको मजा आएगा.
फिर रेटिंग 3.5 से 4 हो जाएगा.
No.
नहीं, 4 नहीं. This is 3.
But it definitely does have a meaty sort of taste.
It's in the hell.
No. Anna?
Yeah, I agree with us for thinking that this year.
I think it's all in their head. I'll gaslight them. The next one we're trying is
Okay,
this.
so this brand is Manor? No, what? Manor. So this Manor brand I've seen everywhere in like every intersection, and these are like big, just Manor stores.
It's Halo.
These are just Manor stores everywhere in Vienna. So this is one of the most famous
Good
brands here.
packaging. So there's 3 of
This
them.
is a sandwich.
Let's open one. Keep these 2.
It's the same flavor. So.
Yeah. So, okay. It's like
chocolate
a
wafer biscuit.
wafer
huh?
sandwich.
Basically, the wafer in our childhood got a promotion. No promotion.
Waffy.
Shout
We had a
out.
wafer.
Shout out.
Waffy.
Why?
Got a shout
Waffy
out.
तो होता था.
हाँ, Waffy.
This is
It's
what
the
it
same
is.
size as the mic though.
हाँ, but mic को मत खाना.
Yeah, basically our wafer got a
It's already
upgrade.
broken. You can break it more further.
हाँ, कर रही हूँ.
Yeah.
आज तक नहीं.
Perfect. Answer takes the lights.
Are we cheersing?
Yes. 3.
एक तो
this
cheersing
looks
क्या
like
है?
this looks like a mini tiramisu.
Okay.
Again, you need to check the kind of ingredients, but yeah.
There's a hazelnut flavor.
Good.
Nutella flavor, hazelnut.
Oh, this is the one that Labib has
Let's
always.
hazelnuts.
Labib has this.
Wafers with hazelnut flavored
उनको नहीं
cream
पता कि
filling
वो लबी है.
topped with cocoa glazing.
It tastes
Love
very
you,
much
bro.
like hazelnut.
Labib bro, miss you bro. See you later.
This is not a shout out.
Love and shout out to my brother.
Kind
Love you.
regards, your best friend,
See you
Rishabh
in
Kumar
London.
Das. पूरा बोलते हैं. Letter
good.
लिखते. Okay.
Okay,
Good
no,
packaging.
4.
3.75 actually.
4.
Like pretty ordinary taste.
Four
I've had
है,
this
four है.
before.
For the wafer purposes, 4.
हाँ, but we're not supposed to rate it based
Lot
on.
of calories.
ऐसे हमने
We shouldn't be biased.
हमने blue lace भी खाया तो हम क्यों दो उसको rating?
Blue Lays is 5 out of 5. Okay, unbeatable.
That's what I'm saying. So
Great
that's
job,
not,
Lays India.
Please check the stock market tomorrow after you watch the video. There might be huge moment. Shout out to
Thank you guys.
Interspar,
Cheers.
Pronto.
हाँ.
तुम क्यों shout out दिए जा रहे हो? कोई
Shout
सुन
out
नहीं रहा है
to
shout को.
Interspar for
Pronto.
being open after 11 a.m. 11 p.m. 11 p.m.
11.
No, they weren't open after.
They're not
11 PM.
not open.
But
Oh yeah, by
they
the
are
way, they
open
were
for
not
us.
able to enter the grocery store, and I was
This was
just
the only
in.
store that was open till this late.
They were open 3 minutes more than the usual time. So
Shout out to them.
Okay, we're done. Thanks for coming and joining
जर्मन में तो बोलो.
and helping us with our boredom.
बोल देना.
तू बोर हो रही है?
No, I'm saying we made a video
Oh.
out of something.
bye.
Bye.
Okay,
Danke schön.
thanks for watching.
Danke schön.
Peace.
Grazie. Grazie, grazie.
तूने क्या बोलता थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग वाला
Can you cut?
ट्रांसलेशन
Can you cut?
आई कैन बट आई मे नॉट
Danke fürs Zoom का Schwan.
आई थिंक
Now he'll
इट्स अ
come up with a
फेवरेट थिंग
different.
फिर से आवाज बढ़ा
Danke fürs Jusson. Why is the sound so low in this phone?
Danke fürs Zuschauen.
Sorry if you had
That's
to
my
take
phone.
Danke fürs Zuschauen.
temporary deafness, but
ओके थैंक्स फॉर
Danke fürs Zuschauen.
ओके I'll get over it. Okay,
we
thanks
don't
for
have
watching.
it,
What
okay?
are we
3,
gonna
2, 1.
Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye. Definitely gonna pin the video. I can tell you.
Danke fürs Jusson.
जिंग जाओ. Bye. क्यों पुचर कर रहे हैं हम?
Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you
Bye,
in the next
guys.
video.